Hello friends, today in this video we're going to be making a coin in the hot air balloon game. So what I'm going to do is I'm in this white one and I'm going to click the circle and the fill one too. So the fill one will be the yellow one for the circle one, and now I'm going to make this I'm going to make it a yellow circle. So here we have a yellow circle, and for the outline I don't want it to be a black outline. I want it to be a orange outline for the coin one. So I'm gonna click on the circle one and the outline two for the coin one to for the outline to be orange. So here we got our orange outline for the coin one. So now I'm gonna click on the T one to use a dollar sign on the keyboard. But for that one I'm gonna go to the fill and make the brightness go dark and the still want to be black. So for this one, I'm gonna make it a dollar on the keyboard with a shift 4. And here we have our dollar coin for the hot air balloon game with SB1 and plus byte one. We're gonna name it into the coin. And there we have our coin for the hot air balloon. We're gonna go to the events and grab when green flag is clicked. And second block, what we need is we need to go to the looks and grab the set size to 100%. Instead of set size to 100%, we're gonna write down set size to 70% so that we're gonna shrink this size of the coin down. So let me click for the green flag, and yes, the coin has decreased. And next block we need to go to motion grab to go to X and Y one. We need to go to the operators and grab the pick random one for the X and the Y one too. So I'm gonna grab what so we grab those two pick random ones. The first X pick random, we're gonna go for minus 180, and the second one will be 180. For the Y pick random, we're gonna write down less than 100. And this 10 to 10 one, we're gonna write down 100. And there we go. Go to X pick random is 180 to 180 minus 180 to 180. And for the Y one, went from pick random to from minus 100 to 100. Next block, what we need to do, we need to go to the logs and grab the hide block. And next, we're gonna go to the control and grab the wait 1 second block. And after wait 1 second block, we need to go to the logs and grab the show block to see if our coin hides wait 1 second and then shows. Will it work? Yes, it works. But for the wait one, we're gonna change it back from wait 1 second to, let's say, 3 seconds to make sure that our coin hides for a little bit longer and then it will show after we wait this coin to show for 3 seconds. And yes, a coin shows up after waiting for 3 seconds. That's the good one. We need to go to the control and grab the forever loop. I will put the forever loop after the show one. And once again, we need to duplicate this go to X and Y one, but we will throw away some remaining blocks in this one. So here we have our go to X pick random and Y pick random. The next block, we need to go to the control one and grab the wait 1 second block, and we'll put it before the go to X pick random and Y pick random one. But for this wait 1 second, we're gonna change it back to, let's say, 4 seconds? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, so next block, what we need to do, we are in the logs and we need to grab the hide block and we put the hide block after wait for seconds. And next block, what we need to do, we need to grab the show block, and show block will come in after go to X pick random and Y pick random, just to test it out if our coin hides and shows and hides and shows again. Will it work? Yes, it works. Thanks for watching.